video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a galaxy nail art design. In my process, I do use regular and gel color. I think it's going to be one of the easiest ways you've ever seen it done. So watch it, enjoy, and let me know how you like it. This is my favorite color to do the galaxy designs. It's called Ready for My Close-Up by Perfect Match. And 2 coats of this will give you full coverage even without the purple base. I'm going to take regular white polish and dab it into the corner of a makeup sponge. Then I'm going to take the sponge and dab it onto a paper towel to take away some of the saturation. I will then start to create the base of my galaxy design. I like to use regular polish because it allows you to create a more textured look. We're going to build on our galaxy base by taking this light pink called fairy dust, and we're going to just dab it into different portions of the white that you've already done. Here's the regular color version of the gel base we've already applied, ready for my close-up. I'll repeat the steps I did with the white and the pink. I'm going to put a little bit of polish on the corner of the makeup sponge and just dab portions of the white. And as you'll see, it actually has a blue hue. So 1 coat of the Ready for My Close-Up gives you a little bit more of a glittery blue. 2 coats gives you that deep purple. But I love that it blends so well. To create the finishing touches, I'm going to use white gel. I'm going to put some on a foil, and then I'll take my dotting tool, put about 2 dots on this nail here. Then I'll take my design brush and put a little plus sign in the middle. That's going to give it a starburst look. I'll take my dotting tool again and put a few random dots, almost like tiny stars far away. Here I'll show you guys the same steps, but slightly different placements of the starburst and the dots. We have to make sure our galaxy and our stars are shining, so we'll seal with gel top coat. There you go. Out of this world galaxy nail art. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Live Lux Lisa for more.